Where'd it go? Where is it? Where's the bug? No, Kelly, it's over here. Kelly. Come here. It's right there. It's in the window. Hop it. Get the bug. Look, it's right there. It's right there, Kelly. What are we gonna do? Daddy's not home. Who's gonna kill the bug? Nobody's gonna kill the bug. It's so big. It's such a friggin' big bug. Oh my god. Ooh. You want the bug? It's a bug. It's a big bug. Are you scared? Kylie, you scared it. It's on the fountain. There's a big bug out there. I can see it. It's on the fountain. Where'd it go? Wait. Where is it? Wait. Are you scared, Callie? Are you scared, baby? It's a freaking big bug. Can't freaking see it. Where the hell is it? Where is it, Callie? Where's the bug? I don't know. Ooh. Is he? I'm never going out there again. Kelly? It's not on the window, it's in the fountain. Go get it, it's in the water. Kelly? Ooh, there it is. Kelly! Oh, it's right there. Leave it. Come on, hurry up, come on, inside. Hurry. Did you see the bug? Did you see it? You did? Where's the bug? Bug. Get it, bug. It's not in the window anymore. It's not. You're so brave, Callie. You protecting me? Yeah.